Dear students, now we are in bridge course program. Junior JE bridge course is going on. Until yesterday, we have discussed the topic regarding intervals. I said yesterday class, intervals. Today I want to discuss with you some examples. Depends upon the interval systems. Intervals. Let us discuss about some examples. Depends upon intervals. Let us write first question. Find the interval where x lies between for x square plus 4x plus 3 less than 0. This is the curve. Depends upon intervals. We have discussed in previous class that regarding inequalities. This is not equal to 0. This is inequality. First of all, we should calculate the solution. X square plus 4x plus 3 less than 0 you should write. That implies x square plus, by quadratic equation method, you should write here splitting the middle term or factorization. 3 ones are 3, depends upon that 3 ones are 3 concept. You should write the middle term 4x as 3x plus x. X square plus 3x plus x plus 3 equal to 0. That implies x taken common, it becomes x plus 3 plus 1 you can take common, x plus 3 not is equal to 0. This is less than 0. You should not write is equal to 0. That implies you can write like this, x plus 3 into x plus 1 less than 0. While notating the intervals, always you should write small number first and second number, large number next. Here x plus 3 into x plus 1 less than 0 we got. You can understand this one as x minus of minus 3 like this into x minus of minus 1 less than 0. The formula, let us remember the formula, x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0. If x minus alpha into x minus beta less than 0, that implies we have discussed x lie between alpha and beta, excluding alpha beta. The notation I said that x belongs to alpha comma beta. Therefore, here you can write x belongs to minus 3 comma minus 1, that to open interval. Minus 3 comma minus 1. Because this is minus 3 is smaller than minus 1. First of all, you should write minus 3, later minus 1. Whenever you are indicating the intervals, every student try to understand, every student has to know that interval indicates with small letter, comma, large letter. I mean the small number you should write first one and large number you should write second one. Minus 3 is smaller than minus 1, that is why minus 3 should write. Student may get confused, sir, 3 is greater than 1, no. Of course 3 is greater than 1, it is okay, but according to symbol you should consider. Whenever plus is there, according to a formula you should write minus here. So minus 3 first of all you should write. That is here plus 3 and plus 1. X belongs to minus 3 comma minus 1. This is one example. Next, second example. Find the range. You can write for this, find the range or find the values. Find the range of x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. Solution. Now we can write taking this one, x square minus 5x plus 6 greater than 0. That implies, for this one, splitting the middle terms. By splitting the middle terms, you can write here x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 greater than 0. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 greater than 0. That implies x taken common, we can write x minus 3 and minus 2 taken common, here x minus 3 greater than 0. That implies we can write x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. According to small big concept, 2 is small and 3 is big. First of all, you should write small only. Let us remember the formula. If x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0, then x does not lie between alpha and beta. X does not lie between alpha comma beta. That implies we had written like this, x does not belongs to symbol. Whenever here greater than 0 is there, we have written x does not belongs to closed interval alpha comma beta. Therefore, here you can write x does not belongs to closed interval 2 comma 3. In another way, you can understand x belongs to real number r minus of closed interval 2 comma 3. Or in another way, you can understand x belongs to this one, x belongs to 2 comma 3, that means x less than 2 and x greater than 3. Or x belongs to, you should write like this, minus infinity is the left side end of x-axis, negative x-axis. So 2 you write, this is open interval because there is no 2. If you substitute here, it becomes 0. You should not get 0 here because there is no equality symbol. That is why you should write x belongs to minus infinity comma 2 union 3 comma infinity, all are open interval. No need to get confused for infinity. This is infinity. Infinity means does not define. So does not define is not at all defined value. That is why you never put closed interval for infinity or minus infinity. You always should put only open interval, means general bracket for infinity. Whether it is minus infinity or plus infinity. Depends upon 4 formulae. Whatever the intervals I have discussed depends upon those intervals I want to discuss with you. Each example for every formula. 4 examples I will discuss and 4 examples I give homework to you. Let us write third example. Find the range or find the interval, you can write. Find the range of x if x square minus 10x plus 24 lesser than or equal to 0. X square minus 10x plus 24 lesser than or equal to 0. Depends upon the factors 124, the 24. We can write this one as x square minus 10x plus 24 less than or equal to 0. That implies x square minus, you can write like this, 12x plus, so plus is not possible. Better to, if you put minus here, x square minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 less than 0. X taken common, within the brackets x minus 12 plus 2 taken common, this is x minus 12 lesser than or equal to 0, less than or equal to 0. That implies you can write this one as x plus 2 into x minus 12 lesser than or equal to 0. The formula I am discussing with you, if x minus alpha into x minus beta lesser than or equal to 0, therefore x belongs to closed interval alpha comma beta. Closed interval means it is there. The value will exist. X belongs to, you can write here, minus 2 comma 12. That's all. This is the simple value. So for whatever the functions I am giving for everything, I have adjusted the factors model. Now we can discuss, if there is no factor, then what we should do? If there is no factor, let us discuss about find the range of. Find the range of 3x square minus 12x plus 5. Here we have taken less than 0, oh, now greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. 3 5s are 15, there is no proper factor for a 12, then we should write like this. Let us write the value given. I am writing given value quadratic equation as 3x square minus 12x plus 5. Simply like that you write. Whenever there is no factors, then you can try to understand the value as 0. Take given this one. Given you write. Put greater than or equal to 0 here. Now I am writing, let A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 12, C is equal to 5. For a quadratic equation, if there are no factors, if there is not possible regarding factors or if there is no chance to get splitting the middle term proper way, then we can write the formula as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Therefore, let us write the value x is equal to minus b means minus of minus plus 12 and plus or minus root b square means here 12 whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into 3 into 5 you can write whole by 2a, 2 into 3. Therefore, x is equal to 12 plus or minus 12 whole square means 144 minus 4 is 12, 12 5 are 60 whole by 6, 144 minus 60. 12 plus 144 minus 60 becomes 84. 12 plus 84 over root by 6. So x is equal to, you can write 12 plus or minus 84 can be written as 4 into 21 over root. Root of 4 into 21, 4 into 21 whole by 6. So x is equal to 12 plus or minus 2 root of 21. If you take n 4 outside along with root, it becomes 2 by 6. Now let us continue here. The value we got x is equal to 12 plus or minus 2 root 21 whole by 6. You can write x is equal to 12 by 6 plus or minus 2 root 21 by 6. You can write here x is equal to 2 plus or minus root 2 plus or minus root 21 by 3 here. Now you can understand here the x having the values, two values are two roots we have. X is equal to 2 minus root 21 by 3 and 2 plus root 21 by 3. Now you can use the formula x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0. Whenever x minus alpha into x minus beta greater than or equal to 0 is there, we can understand that x does not belongs to open interval alpha comma beta. Therefore, x belongs to, you can write r minus closed open interval. R minus open interval alpha comma beta, or x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha. This is closed union beta comma infinity. Therefore, according to given question, you can write in the same way x does not belongs to, like this you can write 2 minus, first of all small value, 2 minus root of 21 by 3 comma 2 plus root of 21 by 3. If factors are possible, then you can write with the factors, otherwise you should do using this method. Or x belongs to, like this, r minus, r means here real number, total real number, minus 2 minus root of 21 by 3. 2 minus root of 21 by 3 comma 2 plus root of 21 by 3. Or x belongs to, this is the range, students, you can try to understand this one as full. This sum is the range of the given value, minus infinity comma 2 minus root of 21 by 3. This is closed because is equal to is there. Union here 2 plus root 21 by 3 comma infinity. This is the full sum. If factors are not possible, you should do in this way. So, 4 methods I said. In 4 methods depends upon 4 formulae. 4 examples I said. First 3 I have taken easy sums, and the 4th one I have taken somewhat hard sum which has no proper factors. Now I will give homework, depends upon the 4 formulae, only 4 sums I will give. You do try it your own. Homework. First one, the heading, main heading is that find the range of the following inequalities. It is nothing but intervals, following inequalities. Let us discuss about first one. X square minus 3x plus 2 greater than 0. Second one, 2x square minus 5x plus 1. This enough, this is less than 0. Third one, x square plus 5x plus 6. Already I said this one, I think. X square minus 5x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0, and find the range of. Last question somewhat tough I am giving, try to understand and do your own, try yourself. X square minus 4x minus 12. Take here plus 12 greater than 0. Depends upon the 4 formulae. I said 4 examples and I given depends upon the 4 formulae the homework to you. Okay students, today this is enough. In next class I will discuss in next model.